Okay, we've got a nice Savage rifle here that's missing a front sight, and we need to establish what type of a front sight and what height we need in order to match up to the rear sight. Now, in order to do that, we want to take some measurements from the center line of the bore. This is the only line on the rifle that runs from one end to the other that you can actually establish dimensions from. We want to take a barrel dimension right underneath our rear sight, and we have a dimension there of 0.858. Now we're going to divide that in half to give us a dimension from the center line of the bore to the top of the barrel, and that dimension is 0.429. Now we're going to take another dimension from the top of the barrel to our sight notch. And that dimension is 0.534. Now that'll give us a total overall height from the center line of the bore to our sight notch of 0.963. Now, a little trick here, if you have troubles making your measurement from the top of the barrel to the sight notch, is to lay a straight edge across and take your dimension at that point. Okay, now to establish what height we need for our front sight, we're going to take a dimension on our barrel, and we have a dimension there of 0.594. Now to establish from the center line of the bore to the top of the barrel again, we're going to divide that in half. That gives a dimension of 0.297. We're going to take that 0.297 dimension and subtract that from our 0.963, which was our overall height on our rear sight, and that gives us a dimension of 0.666. This is the dimension we need for the ramp and the sight to replace on this Savage.